Hello children. From last many days children we were discussing about the southern plateaus, explanation of the chapter in which we were going through about the southern plateaus through map as it is triangular in shape, which states lie in this, in how many parts the southern plateaus are divided, like the Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands are divided into two parts, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. After the explanation of Deccan Plateau, we have studied about the states lie in this southern plateaus like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, then Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. In these states, children, we have discussed about its capital, their main crops, main occupation of this place, of these states, their favorite place, their way of wearing clothes, famous tourist attractions, and many other things. I hope children you all have understood this well. Now moving towards next, we have to do the exercises today. So for this what we have to do, first of all we have to fill the index. Now come on your index part. As we know, we all know that we have finished 4 chapters, so that is why this serial number will be 5. I have written the date, then the name of the lesson number 5, the southern plateaus. See carefully how I have done it. Then if I have finished that chapter, lesson number 4 on page number 30, now we will start from page number 31. Clear? We will fill this, then we will come on a new page. Now children see, coming on the new page, we have written the name of the lesson properly with black pen. We have underlined it, then write the page number and date on the new page. And then children, first of all, open your books today. We will fill the book. Then you will do it in your copies in homework. Clear children? Okay. Now see children the book. Clear? Now today children we will do only tick the correct answer. First of all you have to fill in book and then you have to do it in your copies as you are doing in your classes. Exercise A, tick the correct answers. Now sentence number 1. Which river is regarded as Dakshin Ganga? I asked this question in your class also. Which river is regarded as Dakshin Ganga? A. Godavari, B. Krishna and C. Kaveri. You have to take the correct option children with blue pen. Now see, option A I think you all know very well. Answer is Godavari. Godavari river is also known as Dakshin Ganga. So tick option number A. Now sentence number 2. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Which is the highest waterfall in India? Question mark. A. Hundia Fall, B. Jog Fall and C. None of these. Clear? 3 options are there. If you remember children, we have studied Jog Fall in state Karnataka. Clear? It lies in Karnataka. Highest waterfall in India is Jog Fall. So you have to take option number B. Clear? Now sentence number 3. Lavani is a popular dance form of option A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra and C. Tamil Nadu. Lavani is a popular dance form of Karnataka, Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu. You must be remembering that Lavani is a popular folk dance form of Maharashtra and Tamasha is their popular drama. Clear? And Lavani is a popular dance form. So you have to take option number B of third. Now moving toward fourth. Which city is famously called as Silicon Valley of the East? Which city is famously called as Silicon Valley of the East? Question mark. Option A is Bangalore, B is Chennai, C is Hyderabad. Three options you have seen. You must be remembering, children, that in Karnataka we have studied that Bangalore is known as Silicon Valley of the East. Now you have to take option number A. See clearly. Now, number 5. Which of these is not located in and around Mysuru? Which of these is not located in and around Mysuru? इनमें से कौन सा मैसूरू के आसपास लोकेटेड नहीं है? वृंदावन गार्डन, जॉग फॉल और चार मीनार. Out of these three, the correct option is Charminar. Charminar is in Hyderabad. It is not in Mysuru. Clear? So the correct option is C. Clear? So tick option number C. Panna, famous for diamond mines, is a place in. Sentence number 6. Panna, famous for diamond mines, comma, is a place in. Option A Chhattisgarh, B Madhya Pradesh, and C Karnataka. Panna is famous for diamond mines, is a place that is located in Madhya Pradesh. If you remember, correct children? So option B is correct. So tick option number B of 6. Now 7th. In which state is the famous pilgrimage center of the Hindus, Tirupati temple, located? In which state is the famous pilgrimage center of the Hindus, comma, Tirupati temple, located? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, and C. Karnataka. So Tirupati temple is located in Andhra Pradesh. So the option B is correct. So tick option number B. I hope children you all have ticket, but see once again. See in a running way. Which river is regarded as Dakshin Ganga? Correct option is Godavari. Which is the highest waterfall in India? B option Jog Fall is correct. Number 2. Number 3. Lavani is a popular dance form of Maharashtra. Number 4. Which city is famously called as Silicon Valley of the East? The correct option is A Bangalore. 5th. Which of these is not located in and around Mysuru? The correct option is C Charminar. 6. Panna, famous for diamond mines, is a place in. 6 ka option B Madhya Pradesh. 7th. In which state is the famous pilgrimage center of the Hindus, comma, Tirupati temple, located? Question mark. The correct option is B Andhra Pradesh. I hope children you all have marked it. You have to do this exercise A in your copies in a beautiful way. Don't commit any spelling mistake. See carefully from your books and copy it. You have to leave children one line. You know very well. Sentence you have to write with black, sentence with blue and options with black. Okay? Or you can write only the correct answer. Write sentence with blue pen and write the answer directly. Don't write all 3 options. Clear children? I hope children you all have understood it properly. Now thank you children. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy.